Production. Where the fuck? Nigga, I'm on this OE. Oh shit. Nephew over there tripping. It's Smoke Dog, aka Uncle Smoke. My nigga No Talk, aka The Don. And we bring it back, ruckus to these niggas that trip. They fuck around with crazy nigga. Watch out when I straight hit. And I ignite the skills, niggas. I will make you chill, nigga. Put that AK-47 to the side of your beard, nigga. I guess you should fuck with another fucking bastard. Don't joust with a crazy nigga. I'm out of Jacob's ladder. I come quick with a splatter. The family doesn't matter. I show you the AK-47, nigga. We rather.
Oh shit, almost on my shit again. Like a toddler straight out the crib. Woo! Almost fell off, bust my ass, you feel me? But I'm out here busting my ass, trying to get to the guala, trying to get my paper, trying to get me a paper chaser, trying to make it greater. I don't like no haters, I don't like no nigga, no bitch. Cause y'all niggas out here liking like some bitches. Y'all out here really snitching.
And if your niggas keep on digging, then I'ma keep on itchy finger itching. Niggas be tripping, that's why they laying deep down ditches like drunk drivers. Niggas, I'm that nigga that hire your ass up and fuck around and rewind you like a fucking tape and old VHS. Crazy nigga, put that heat to your chest, take a rest.
We put that heat to your chest, coming at your neck. We coming straight, bullets flaming out the motherfucking vet.
And then we'll give me with that check, put that motherfucker straight up to your neck. Give me that AK, nigga, we do it proud. I'm a soup whoop nigga, and I say that shit loud. Don't really give a fuck, nigga, we come to get the tuck, and we coming to get the bucks. Catch me in the back of the truck.
We say that shit loud, we coming for the crowd, coming wild. Coming with that wild style, I ain't no Nick Cannon, but I got the cannon. Coming straight to your neck, and you know I'm about to blame it.
That AK nigga who got that Draco. Lay niggas out the park like Jose Canseco. Every blow is fatal. Nigga, they just say no. Nigga, leg on my ego, busting out of a Winnebago.
Coming like an ego, you better let go my ego. You stepping on some Legos when you coming to me. You feel me? You better walk on shells when you coming to me.
Nigga, you gon' walk on motherfucking nails and pins. He fuck around with us in jail, nigga. I hit hens, come quick and I prevail, nigga. I sip gin, don't even fuck around. You go to hell, nigga, with all your friends.
You go to hell with all your friends, coming in like Satan's child. You feel me? I'm going wild with the style. About to hit this rhyme now. Trying to make my guala, trying to make my money stack loud.
Trying to make it stack like pancakes. Fuck around with us, we doing that shit, making no mistakes. Pocket full with a trunk full of weight. Gas pulled up, nigga, time to get that money today.
Coming in.